So far we have done first 4 scenarios, and we're going to start this scenario 5, which is optimize build with Docker OnBuild. Okay, now we will move to the scenario. The first step is OnBuild. So while Docker files are executed from top to bottom, can trigger an instruction to be executed at a later time when the image is used as the base for another image. So the result is we can delay the execution to be dependent on the application which we are building. Okay. Now we'll see how this base image looks like. Application Docker file. This is the step 2. With all the logic to copy the code, install our dependencies and launch application. The only aspect which needs to be defined on the application levels, which ports to be import or ports to expose. To create advantage of OnBuild images is that our Docker file is now much simpler and can be easily reused across multiple projects without having to rerun the same steps, improving the build time. So this was created in the environment. So here we are going to discuss building and launching container. The Docker file from previous time has been created, and to build the command is this docker build -t and then the name. So it will download the content, and so still it is downloading the content. So once you build the content, we have to launch it as well. So in order to launch it, we have to use some other commands. So once the build part is done, we'll see how we can launch the image. Still it's executing. We have to wait until it's get loaded. Lookup file which I have created in the previous scenario is executing. Okay, successfully built. Okay, now we can move or launch the built image. So once I give the command, in order to test the container, I can use the curve command. Okay, so that's the end of this scenario as well. Now we can move to the next scenario.